Hello, fabulous listeners, and welcome back to Flourishing in Menopause. I'm Sonia Benito, your go-to guide for navigating this wild and wonderful menopause journey. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know so many of you will relate to: menopause brain fog. But before we clear the mist, can I ask you a favor? First, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss an episode. It's like putting a post-it note on your brain, except I'm doing the reminder for you. And if you're enjoying these chats or just want to keep me caffeinated, click the Buy Me a Coffee link in the episode description. Your support means so much and keeps the show going strong. All right, let's talk about brain fog. You know that moment when you walk into a room and immediately forget why you were there? Or call your dog the cat's name? Yeah, who hasn't done that? Menopause has a way of turning our sharp minds into something closer to scrambled egg. But don't worry, we're here to unscramble it today. So why does menopause feel like it's stolen your mental sharpness? It all comes back to hormones. Yes, our good friends. Estrogen. When estrogen levels drop, it affects neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which plays a huge role in memory and focus. Then there's cortisol, our good old stress hormone, which skyrockets during menopause and wreaks havoc on brain clarity. And let's not forget the sleep disturbances that leave us feeling like zombies the next day. Who can concentrate when they're running on 3 hours of broken sleep and a prayer? Sound familiar? If you've ever forgotten your best friend's name mid-conversation, trust me, you're not alone. Let's talk about how to fix it. So they say you are what you eat. So let's feed your brain with the good stuff. Focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. They're basically brain fuel. And don't skip on leafy greens. Spinach, kale are like spinach for Popeye, but for your neurons. Oh, and coffee lovers, rejoice. Caffeine in moderation can actually improve focus. How cool is that? Just skip the sugary lattes. Your brain deserves better. Exercise isn't just for your waistline. It's a game changer for your brain. Even a brisk walk can increase blood flow to your brain and help you think more clearly. A pro tip: combine exercise with learning something new, like listening to a podcast while you walk. Wink, wink. Give your brain a workout. Puzzles, things like that, or even learning a new language can keep those neurons firing. I recently tried learning a TikTok dance. Let's just say my brain got a workout, even if my coordination didn't. Some supplements can be real game changers. Omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and B vitamins are like a multivitamin for your mind, but always check with your doctor before starting anything new. High cortisol levels are draining for your memory. Practice mindfulness, something like that, or just take 5 minutes to do nothing. Yes, nothing. You deserve it. And let's not underestimate the power of a good laugh. It's like a mind vacation for your brain. I had a client, let's call her Jane, who was in full-on panic mode because she kept losing her train of thought during her work presentation. So we focused on small, actionable changes. She started journaling to organize her thoughts and added a handful of walnuts to her breakfast routine. A month later, she emailed me saying I nailed my presentation and I even remembered everyone's name. Go for it, Jane. What about you? Have you found any tips that help clear the fog? Or do you have a funny brain fog story to share? I'd love to hear it. Drop me an email or share it on our Facebook page, Flourishing in Menopause support group, or join the Women's Wellness group connected to my website at calmcanvas.co.uk. We're all in this together. So there you have it. Brain fog doesn't have to take over your life. With the right foods, a bit of movement, and some mindfulness, you can start to feel like yourself again. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's also navigating the menopause maze. And if you feel like sending a little love my way, then hit that Buy Me a Coffee link in the description box at the end. You got this, my friend. Until next time, stay sharp, stay fabulous, and keep flourishing.